Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new blank mini album to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to be back with a new video. So today I'm gonna share with you my latest blank mini album. So this is the mini album that I created for the month of July for my mini album subscription club. If you guys want to join my blank mini album club, I'm gonna have the link down below. So every month you receive a new blank design that you can decorate, and I am super excited to share this with you. I did some sneak peeks on some short videos, but I wanted to kind of share with you the idea and how there are two different ways that you can use it, and I just had a lot of fun making this book. So as you can see, it's kind of like a gatefold. It's not a gatefold, but it has this closure here on the side, and it looks a little bit like a gatefold, and it opens up like that. So the inside are accordion fold pages, but basically what I wanted to do with this book is have it so you can use it into different directions. So you can kind of have it like this and have these kind of like top opening this direction here, and then you have like the pages are all accordion pages, which I will go over here in a minute. So you can decorate your book like this, and of course you can add your magnets here. Magnets are not included on the blank books. Or also you can have the book kind of open side to side like that. So I think it's really fun to kind of give you those two different options. And the pages are kind of like accordion zigzag pages. So once you open the book, these are your pages right here. And again, if you are decorating the book up and down like this with the closure here on the top, it's also really fun to navigate the book. So you can definitely navigate either way, either direction that you want. So let's go ahead and go through the pages. So like I mentioned, these are zigzag pages. Each page has a 1/2 inch gusset, so you can really fill these up with pictures and papers. You can add some embellishments, and you still have plenty of room to close your book. So after you add all your memories and everything, we already accounted here for the spacing, so your book will always close like that. So now once we open this up, this page opens here to the right, and then we have top opening flap. And of course, if you are having the book on this direction, this will be the top opening, and then this will be the side opening, but we're just gonna look at it this way. So it opens up like that. Then this opens here again, and then these two pieces open there to the side again. And then you can also open the book on the other direction, so just a large blank area. So the inside pages are 8.5 by 8 3/4. The outside of the book is 8.5 by 9, and this side section here is it's 4 inches by 8.5. So just giving you some dimensions here to see how to show you how big the book is. And so then these two flaps open like that. And then here on the next page, again, a large layout that you can use for large pictures, but you can also use it to even add more onto this book. If you wanted to follow any of my add-on tutorials, you can add some waterfalls, some pop-ups and things like that. And then this over here opens to the side again, so perfect place again for a large picture, or you can use this flap again to add any pop-up. So I think it's going to be really fun dressing up this book. So all of the books that I have for the month of July are already spoken for, but if you guys are interested on these, you can still join the club, and I think I'll probably be making another batch because I want to make one more for me. I ended up not having any left for this month. Sometimes I like to have a couple extra to just kind of have and decorate later on. So I'm gonna have the link down below again if you want to join into the club. Every month I create a new design and I ship those out to you. So depending when you subscribe, like if you subscribe at the beginning of the month, all those books are shipped with my first batch. If you subscribe, let's say on the 29th of the month, that's when I ship the books to you. But yeah, so just some little info there on the subscription. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this walkthrough. Since I'll be making a few more, let me know if you would like to see a tutorial. I am a little rusty from making videos. I just came back from my amazing trip to Europe, and I'm still kind of getting adjusted to the time change again, and you know, getting over a little bit of a cold that I had, but I am excited to be back and creating more videos for you guys. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.